In this video, we will outline how to use filters to refine your search results. Filters are options that let you narrow down your search results based on specific criteria. To view filters, click the Filter tab. First, let's run through the different filter options. Use the Complete Documents Only filter to choose between viewing full documents or individual topics. To see full documents, select True. To see individual topics, select False. Use the Products filter to narrow your search results by product category. Use the Brand filter to display results related to a specific brand. Use the Product Status filter to choose results for products that are currently supported or products that have been discontinued. Use the Document Type filter to show results for specific document types. Use the Version filter to show results from specific software versions or product releases. To narrow your results by document number, also known as a lit number, use the Document Number filter. To narrow your results by part number, use the Part Number filter. Finally, use the Last Update filter to view results for documents or topics published within a specific time period. In the following example, we will use filters to find all the Metasys application server documentation from Metasys Release 14.0. First, enter the keyword server in the search bar, and then click the magnifying glass icon. To only show full documents, select True from the Complete Documents Only filter. To refine your results to application servers, use the Product filter. You can click the drop-down icon beside a product category to view its subcategories. From the Brand filter, select Metasys. Finally, select 14.0 from the Version filter. You can see which filters you have selected at the top of the page. To remove a filter, click the X beside the filter name.